Vice President for Operation Principal, Dr. Annalisa L. Falcolan. Academic Affairs, Mr. Abet Lopez. Staff, teachers, to all my fellow graduates, to our esteemed speaker for today, Mr. Domingo A. Losande. First of all, I want to say a big thank you to all teachers, parents, and friends who are here today. When I first came to kindergarten, we were little baby Abet's girl. But now we're bigger, smarter, and ready for the next big adventure. We have learned so much. We've learned how to share, to be kind to each other, and to always try our best. We learn our ABCs and how to count 1 to 100. We even learn how to tie our shoes. To our teachers have been so patient and kind. They taught us not just with books, but with their heart. Thank you, teachers, for helping us to grow and learn. And parents, thank you for helping us with our homework, packing our lunches, and always cheering us on. We love you very much. And last, but most importantly, I want to say thank you to Almighty God for giving me a good health and knowledge. Now we are ready for first grade. We are excited, maybe a little nervous. But we know we can do it because we learned so much this year. So to all my fellow graduates, let's celebrate this wonderful day. Let's remember all the fun that we had. Let's look forward to all the new things that we will learn. Congratulations everyone, we did it!